When developing or testing apps on a Flowfinity sandbox server, you can import and merge app changes from the sandbox server to your production server with just a few clicks. When modifying or testing apps that have been copied over from the production server to a Flowfinity sandbox server, you can merge the app changes back to your production server with the Customize with FDF feature. This feature merges app design changes while preserving your existing data records in the production database. On your sandbox server, such as clouddev.flowfinity.com, go to the Configure tab, App section, select the app to export, and click Export. Follow the prompts. Other apps may be automatically selected for you, so only check the boxes of apps you need. The resulting saved file will have an FDF extension, which stands for Form Transfer File. Next, go to your production server, such as cloud.flowfinity.com, and click on the Configure tab. Under the Apps section, select the same app to import the changes. Select Customize with FDF from the menu. Browse to the file you just exported and select it for import. Select the relevant app to update, click Next, and give it a few moments. Review the changes that were made in the app before finalizing the import. If Yes is selected besides Show Changes Only, the tabs with updates will be accessible and easier to spot. Tabs with no changes will be grayed out. Click Next to process the merge. Once you've imported the app, it will appear under Drafts. Click on the Draft app and select Publish. And you're done! The app changes will then be published on the production server and made available for all users. Please note that you cannot make app changes on the production server after you've exported the apps to the development server. To merge changes successfully, the app version on the production server must remain the same as the initial exported version. To try this out yourself, start a free 30-day trial of Flowfinity today.